Excel Online is without a translate function, similar to that of the Google Sheets Google Translate function. So how do we replicate this in Excel Online? It is easier than you think. Office Scripts at this time does not provide for user-defined formula creation, but together with Power Automate, it can be done. Here is how Google Sheets does it. You have to specify the to and from languages and the text. First thing to do is create the Translator resource in Azure. Once done, you copy the key 1 value as shown in this screenshot. You should then create Office scripts that you need. You can't create the Power Automate flow without doing this first. Here is how the solution presents in Excel Online. We have a table to the left where you input your English text and automatically the flow runs and populates the cell immediately to the right with the translation. 2 very small Office scripts were needed to make this work. Here's the flow, including the 2 scripts and the OneDrive file modifier trigger together with the Azure Translate API connector. There are only 4 connectors in total for this solution. There are no conditional tests or loops needed. Here are the scripts. So let's have a look at the demo itself. So to the left we have the table. We input our text in column A and the French is provided in column B. Once that's done, you can see that the table automatically extended, and we shall wait for the Power Automate flow to trigger and the 2 scripts to run and to populate the value in cell B9. It worked.